Good morning, students. So today is my second online class. It is the specialization subject regarding finance. My subject is risk and insurance management, whose paper code is 3.4. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଆର ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଅଛି, ବିଛା ମନ୍ତ୍ର ନ ଜାଣିକି ସାପ ଗଦରା ହାତ ମାରିବ। ତା ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ଆମେ ନିଜେ ବିପଦକୁ ଟାଣି ଆଣୁଛୁ ହେଲା। ସୋ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ବା ରିସ୍କ ଆଉ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ, let us clarify about the subject. I mean, we have to discuss about the concept, classification of risk, risk identification, risk assessment. तापर हमें कौन जीवा insurance. In order to overcome from the risk, the insurance is highly essential. जोटा कि हमें लास्ट यूनिट मैंने फोर्थ यूनिट में देखा इंश्योरेंस मैनेजमेंट। तब हम जल्दी एज यूजुअल एज ए PB student we know that the case study is important for us. So in the fifth unit and we will have to discuss about the case studies on both the risk as well as the what insurance management. So my dear students, what is risk? Today I will taught you that is about the concept of risk and some things related to the risk. Today I will discuss about the concept of risk, risk versus the uncertainty. Okay. So let us see what is the risk. मुझे तो ओडिया में तो कोई ଆମର ମାନେ ପ୍ରଭୋଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କହିଥିଲି, ସେମିତି ଲାଇଫ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରିସ୍କ, ବିଜନେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଫୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରିସ୍କ. A student is ready that he may not secure the 90% or more than 90%. That is also the one type of the risk. But when you classify the risk, so many situations, so many examples will come in the classifications of risk. Then we'll analyze, then we'll assessment the risk on the basis of the or the types of the risk. For a common layman, it is a risk means that is what we cannot predict. That is the risk. But risk is different from person to persons. I mean to say that is risk is the or chance or the possibility of the loss. Some says what? When the risk incurred, it is the chance or the possibility of loss. It means there is no profit. We are doing the business here. We are business. Some people are doing business there. When we start the business, we cannot ascertain the profit. या हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे कि यार मैं बिजनेस कर रहा हूं, मेरा प्रॉफिट ही होगा. नो नो, देयर मे बी ए चांस ऑफ लॉस बिकॉज एज वी आर दैट इज पुटिंग ए और टॉसिंग ए कॉइन, there may be a come head or the tail. Similarly, when we are doing the business, there may be profit or the loss. We may not directly say that it is a loss, or we may not say that directly it is a profit. We can predict, we can hope the best. So, thereafter we'll do our business, then maybe a chance of the loss or the profit, whatever, it can be ascertained later. Okay? Second point, it is maybe uncertain situations, or some says risk may be the what? Uncertain situations and the deviations. यस, आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, तुम्हारे सामने ऑनलाइन क्लास कर रहा हूँ. ओके, टुडे द होल वर्ल्ड इट इज कमिंग एट a great risk because future cannot be predicted. हम बाद में आने वाले समय पे क्या होगा कुछ नहीं बता पाएंगे. उसी तरह that is it is uncertain situations creates what happened. We cannot be certain on the situations. No, definitely I am ready means I will get the 90%, 95%. I will doing the business means it will be the profit. Okay, so many situations are also surrounding in our surroundings. Some situations may be favorable, some situations may be unfavorable to us. And how we can predict the better? But we do the work best in order to ascertain that is or to go forward the positive things better than the negatives. So similarly, one thing what is that is you can say the situations are uncertain. Okay, then third, you know the statistical peoples, they will say that is what we call the dispersions from the expectations. Okay, dispersions called from the expectations. What is the expectations? Expectations means जो कि हमारा मन में कुछ आता है, ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है. Expectations. That expectations may or may not become, but you have to what happened, think for that right expectations. Maybe 19-20 हो सकता है. Okay, so few people, some says that is the chance or the possibility of loss, some says it is the uncertain situations and the deviations, some says that is the dispersion from the expectations. माने कथा जेमती अछि माने समुद्र भितर पहरी के बा जेमती मोती हासिल करिवाटा बहुत किछि असुविधा भितर मध्ये भी कोन अछि भलो जिंसरे मध्ये भी हम आस पाए. But you have to make it sure. Okay, you have to have confidence on ourselves so that we can do the better. We know that risk is there. आने जाने में रिस्क होता है. Okay, so and another I will say that is includes exposure of the adverse situation. Yes, sometimes it reveals that is the negative, that is what happened, negative situations also. कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं, ओके, कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं, बातें से झगड़ा हो जाता है, खेल में झगड़ा हो जाता है. किसको पता था? So negative situation आ गया. So we cannot see. हम बैठे हैं कुछ अच्छे काम के लिए, बातों में कुछ काम में डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, उस डिस्कशन में that is negative may become, but we have to think it. We have to make the highlight. This may arise, that may arise. Some negative may arise, some positive may will come. Accept the positives. Find the solution for the negative ones. What to do and what not to do, because this will great or this will helpful in our to avoid the risk. Okay. So another outcomes is indeterminate. Okay, मैं पहले से बोल चुका हूं. The result कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, कभी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. That is when I am touching the coin, I will say it is the head. It may be the loss, that is tail. That is when in the statistic, when you are reading the probability, that is what probability of the risk may be chances of happening or may not be. So this is what happened. It is outcomes को भी हम कभी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. That is yes sure. मैं हेड बोल दिया, अगर कॉइन टॉस किए मेरा हेड आ गया, is it is that what happened? I will say no. I said my head. It is not. It is the head came. Your it is tail. By chance it's happened when I call the head. and the toss is also favored to me. Okay, by chance, I am telling you. So if that is tail came, it is my loss. Because I thought that is, if your head will come, what my asset? Before that, I will have to think that is, if tail come, what will be my asset? That we have to, that is, take the steps. So, and another that is when all the risk is to be take essential requirements, जो कि हमें बाद में असेसमेंट आएगा, आइडेंटिफिकेशन करने के बाद असेसमेंट आएगा. रिस्क को कभी भी टला नहीं पाएंगे, कभी भी अवॉइड नहीं करेंगे, मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, एक्चुअली. आज दुनिया में जो नोवेल कोविड-19 जो भी रिस्क आया ना, जो सरकार सभी बार टीवी में बहुत न्यूज देते हैं कैसे रहना है, कैसे ये करना है. इट इज अ व्हाट says that we have to take the precautions. Precaution लेते अगर भी हो गया कोरोना, it is also a risk. We know that is we are what inside the boundary of the risk, but even that we have to take our what, that is the precautions. So that is special requirement, special emphasis, special needs must be there. So this is the concept, or that is the general things of the risk. Some two definitions I have given. Let us say it is the Macmillan for the English dictionary language, Macmillan English dictionary, that is in page 127. It is written that risk refers to the possibility that something unpleasant or dangerous might happen. What says it is? Unpleasant to me, unpleasant to you, that is also the risk. For common layman, उसका चाहे जो चाहता है वो ना आए तो भी वो भी रिस्क है. That is unpleasant. Okay, and another that is what when dangerous may be took place. मुझे जो प्रथम ओडर कहतली हला बिच्छा मंत्र न जानी साप गतरे हाथ मारिया नीति ता अर्थ कोन. बिच्छा मंत्र तमे शिखेनु गोटे बिच्छा को केते कंट्रोल करबा. अरे सापड़ा से गातर अच्छे ताको हाथ मारे से हमको बेल करियो कि से हमको कामुनी. So many things are there. So we have to acquire knowledge in order to avoid the risk. Mind it, one thing I have said, risk cannot be avoided. If risk is avoiding, means we have to take precaution on that. We will try that is how the risk may be minimized. It should be minimized, not that is full stop. हमें बहुत पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. So it is a sense that is what when it is unpleasant and the dangerous may took place. Okay. E.J. Vaughan says the risk is a condition in which there is a possibility of adverse deviation from the device outcomes that is expected or hoped for. Surety नहीं, रिस्क नहीं हो सकता है. Risk may become, but we hope for the best. That is the outcomes that is expected or hope. It should be what happened. जो भी नेगेटिव होता है, जो भी नेगेटिव डेविएशन होता है, उसे हमें डिजायर करना है. जो डिजायर वो आउटकम को लेना चाहिए, हमें वो आउटकम को हमें सेट करना चाहिए. वो आउटकम को हमें दैट इज वो वी शुड बी एक्सपेक्ट, जो एक्सपेक्ट करें उसे होप करना है. बट वी कैन नॉट से दैट 100% इज देयर. सो दिस इज ऑल द concept or the meaning of the risk and what is the definition of risk. So my dear students, I am going to say about the result when two things comes from the risk. That is outcome is uncertain. कभी भी outcomes को certainty या final नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay, वो काम होने के बावजूद हम देखेंगे जब असेसमेंट करेंगे तब जाकर देखेंगे कि दैट इज कितना हुआ। इसलिए आउटकम्स को कुछ नहीं कह पाएंगे, जो रिजल्ट होगा ना कुछ नहीं कह पाएंगे। दैट इज द अनसर्टेनिटी एंड आउट ऑफ द पॉसिबल आउटकम जो भी आउटकम्स आया उनमें से कुछ अनफेवरेबल भी होगा। उस अनफेवरेबल को हमें प्रिकॉशंस लेना है, स्टेप्स लेना है, मेजर लेना है, उसे कैसे रेक्टिफाई कर पाएंगे। मैंने कहा दैट इज रिस्क इज व्हाट थिंग, दैट इज आउटकम्स को कभी भी फाइनलाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे या फाइनल नंबर कभी भी नहीं दे पाएंगे या परसेंटेज नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट जो भी कुछ आउटकम्स आया उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड, इट शुड हैव द आंसर। So, another topic I will go to about the risk versus uncertainty. Risk versus uncertainty. कोई बोलेंगे नहीं, it may be it is a concept of a confusion. Yes. हमें तो बार-बार ये कहा कुछ सर्टेनिटी नहीं है और रिस्क और अनसर्टेनिटी में फर्क क्या रह गया? My dear students, one thing we remember, this is the what when we expect. Sure. यहाँ पे uncertainty मतलब unknown. That is not certain. यहाँ में certain कुछ हो सकता है, plus minus हो सकता है, but it definitely here you can say nothing. Uncertainty. होगा तो होगा, नहीं तो correct. Means unknown to us. कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. It is characterized by the doubt. मन में गुंजाइश रहेगा, मन में कुछ प्रश्नवाचक आएगा, मैंने लिखा है या कुछ गलत लिखा है, कुछ रॉन्ग लिखा है, कुछ सही लिखा है या नहीं। क्योंकि जब करेक्शन करते हैं ना, उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है हम किसको प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे। ओके, so this is what happen characteristic by doubt and based of that is lack of knowledge. Based on the lack of knowledge, what will happen or what will not happen. That is on our knowledge. We have to think about it. क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता है। Uncertainty. So if we say that is uncertainty is two types. One is elementary uncertainty and that is the epistemic uncertainty. And that is what happened? The pure chance which is known, whatever the uncertainty arises from the pure chance. कुछ आ जाता है, सिचुएशन ऐसे अरेंज हो जाता है जो हमें पता है, वो है elementary uncertainty. और epistemic that is what happened? कुछ प्रॉब्लम से कुछ अगर आ जाता है उसे रिजोल्यूशन करेंगे, उसे दैट इज चेंज कर सकते हैं। मींस इट इज बेस्ड अपॉन द एक्सपेक्टेशन एज वेल एज द व्हाट और एक्सरसाइज और दैट इज द जजमेंट। जजमेंट ले सकते हैं, हमें जज करके भी फाइनलाइज कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द टू टाइप्स ऑफ द अनसर्टेनिटी एंड व्हाट फ्रॉम दिस रिस्क एंड द अनसर्टेनिटी वी कैन से दैट इज इट इज क्वांटिफाइबल, can be measured. Special department is there, statistical department is there to measure this quantifiable. कितना रिस्क हुआ, कितना मेजर कर सकते, बट यहाँ नहीं, नॉन क्वांटिफाइड, cannot be measured. No department is there to give the final picturized. Okay, that is the non-quantifiable. And it is mostly what happen, there is statistical assessment is there by the some expert. Technical things are there, departments is also there, few people also there, they can be measured, they can find or correctly assessment this risk, but it is only the subject probability, subjective probability. मतलब what happened, that is it cannot be assessed properly, cannot be assessed properly. सोच सकते हैं, भाभ्यों को कहा तुम सब पूछ ना करो। सो ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଠି କହିବୁ subject କିଛି consideration, we can take some consideration, but finally we cannot give it. and it is the hard data based on graph, based on number, based on what, that is the percentage or whatever may. Some hard data is there maintained, but here it is only for the informed opinion. ये हुआ था, वो बोले थे ऐसे, that is we can take the opinion of others, we can judge ourselves. Okay, so this is the what the risk, the concept of risk, the meaning and introduction of the risk, and the definition of the risk, as well as that is the uncertainty and the something that is the risk versus uncertainty. Tomorrow many more things regarding the concept of things, next class. So hope for the best, stay home, stay safe. Good day.